Hey guys, if you trade stocks, you gotta check out DDAmanda.
Okay, when I was living in Denver, one time in the winter time, it was cold, the pool was frozen. I got on the diving board and dove into the pool, broke through the ice with my fists. I was lucky it was only a half-inch thick. Less than a half-inch thick. And then from there we went into the hot tub. And talk about pins and needles. And then we went back in the cold. So what do we got here? 45, 44. Feels pretty cold. And this is at 105, 107, 108. Okay, that's not too hot to burn. Almost 100, 108 and a half. I'm trying to get this colder. I think I'm just going to do it because it feels pretty freaking cold. 42. I'm going to live with it. Could put more ice in here. But anyway, let's go. And I'm going to put my hands in here for 30 seconds. I'm looking at the clock. Wow, that's cold. That is really cold. I don't think I can go 30 seconds. Maybe only 20. And then we go into the hot water. Oh yeah. Pins and needles. I can feel the pins and needles. This is supposed to be healthy for you, good for you. Let's go back in the cold. I'm going to try. Man, this is really uncomfortable. 10 seconds. 15 seconds. Damn. Maybe I can go 30, 20, 25, 30 seconds. Wow. That's a pretty amazing feeling. Ooh, pins and needles now. Anyway, something to do. Interesting. But you get the idea. So, oh wow, I'm starting to see colors. I'm starting to see trails, guys. I come up with the craziest shit, don't I?
Everybody that tries DDAmanda loves it. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.